Welcome to Refashion Revision, where I take old, outdated clothes and transform them into new. My name is Sarah, and I love for you to subscribe to my channel to see new refashions and more. In this episode, I'll show you a very simple, easy way I updated 4 of my sweaters and tops. All the supplies you need: scissors, seam ripper, thread, and a needle. I couldn't find a hand needle. Or you can use a sewing machine, liquid stitch, fray check, velvet trim. I got 4 of these, of the little pom-pom trim, and blue ribbon, and sequin trim. For this sweater, you need seam ripper, thread, and velvet trim. Take out the existing wrist tie. Cut 2 strips 27.5 inches long.
See the mark right here? It only did it right here to right here. So that's where you stop sewing, which will give a room for tying.
Trim the ribbon if necessary, and finish it with liquid stitch.
For this refashion, you need liquid stitch, the trims, and scissors. That's it, no sewing required. Woohoo!
Dab the liquid stitch across the stripe. Then press on the trim onto the stripe and cut the ends. Repeat until you've covered all the stripes.
I just noticed that there's a wrong side and a right side. So make sure the right side is more puffy, it comes out more, and this wrong side is more flat. So make sure you're putting this on the right side. The final countdown, the final countdown. Da 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 da. Make sure the ends don't curl up. Just the nature of the trim, it tends to curl up, so make sure it doesn't curl up. Okay, it's done. It looks really good. You can see better from this side, the little scallops, or pom-poms, whatever you call it. Now, just set this aside on a flat surface and let it dry. This shirt is very similar to the sweater that I just showed you, except instead of the scallops, I'm adding sequins. Very subtle way of adding some pizzazz to the shirt. In this one, I already did this many years ago. I would say 7 years ago. But I ran out of sequin and I never did a bottom 3. So I'm going to do it this time. All you need is scissors, liquid stitch, and the trim once again. For this striped top, you need the ribbon, blue thread, fray check, scissors. And then with this top, it's similar to the black sweater with the black velvet trim. I'm going to tie it in a ribbon so I know where I want to cut the ribbon. Cut. Cut the other side. Clean. Liquid stitch.
And then you sew the top once again, just like the other sweater. All the way around, leaving maybe 2 inches right here, so you don't sew this part.
Now that we're done, let's look at all the before and afters. My favorite refashion has to be number 2 with the black scallop stripes. Which one is your favorite? Leave a comment below and give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more of the simple, easy refashions. Now go look in your closet to see if there's any tops you can do this on. Happy sewing! Keep watching for the bloopers.
You fit perfectly under it, huh? Did you miss me again? So you came by to say hello? Looks good on the outside, and then look, there's something wrong with the bobbin. I should rethread it. But you know what? I'm not going to unpick and start all over, so I'm just gonna leave it. Yo! What's going on? Jay, stop. Doing that on purpose.
What was it?
Jay, you could go in front of the camera.
Just putting this over here.
Jay, oh my gosh, Jay.
Oh, I gotta go inside.
Jay. I don't know what it is. Spear fingers.
Mom is the best mom ever. She's the best blogger ever.
Aww.
And I want her to be a famous blogger.
Thank you, sweetheart.
You are the best person I ever saw.
Jump!
From the moon.
Woohoo! The ground is lava.